Hello and welcome to CobraTransmission.com. So today we're going to be talking about the Atc700 using the BMW X5. A common issue with most of these transfer cases is that eventually your frictions go bad, and your frictions are in here inside the clutch assembly. We do sell these frictions in steel separately in a clutch pack, but we also sell the complete sprocket assembly, which is going to include everything. All you would have to do is remove this part from your transfer case and replace it with this one. It's on you. It has all your frictions, your steels, it has your two thrust bearings that are a common issue, it has your arms, your brand new sprocket, brand new pocket bearing. It's complete. It's just a plug and play. Remove yours, toss it, replace it with this one, and everything's new. You don't have to worry about if your plates are good. You don't have to worry about if your bearings are good. It's one of the best options there is, especially if you just want to make sure everything's complete. I'll leave in the link below, in the description below, I'm going to leave a link for this part. I'll also leave a link for the clutch pack if you just want to get the frictions and the steels. And if you have any comments, questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a big thumbs up, and see you in the next video.